The FDD extension identifies a floppy disk image file containing a complete sector-by-sector copy of a floppy disk for use with emulators and virtual machines. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you mount, extract, or convert these floppy disk image files. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky FDD errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. FDD files are raw floppy disk image files containing a byte-for-byte copy of a floppy disk's contents, including boot sector, FAT file allocation table, and data area. They are used in virtual machines and emulators to provide virtual floppy drive access without physical media. FDD files use a raw binary format matching the exact sector layout of physical floppy disks, typically 1374560 bytes for 1.44 memory 3.5-inch disks, or 122800 bytes for 1.2 memory 5.25-inch disks. They contain FAT12 file system data, readable by standard disk tools. The fundamental reading standard for FDD is set by Oracle VM VirtualBox from Oracle Corporation. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows gives only a simplified view, while actual restoration or exploration requires disk utilities. We're performing an initial application check. Right-click your FDD file and choose Open With. Test Oracle VM VirtualBox first. If it's not there, select another program. This simple process often yields a quick fix. If the FDD file is still giving you trouble, relax. The system isn't broken. The file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this FDD error before we apply the universal fix. First, mounting the image. Use ImDisk Virtual Disk Driver on Windows to mount the FDD file as a virtual floppy drive. Right-click the file and select Mount to access its contents through File Explorer. On Linux, use Mount oloop floppy.fdd emount floppy to mount the image. Next, using in virtual machines. In VirtualBox, navigate to Settings, then Storage, and add the FDD file as a floppy controller device. In VMware, attach via VM, then Settings, then Floppy Drive. The virtual machine accesses the FDD image as if a physical floppy disk were inserted. Finally, converting formats. Rename the FDD file to IMG for broader compatibility, as both formats use identical raw binary data. Use WinImage to browse, modify, and convert floppy disk images between formats. Create new FDD images from physical disks using tools like RawWrite or DD on Linux. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step. A powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.